Congratulations on choosing a DeVILBISS Air Power Company pressure washer. This multi-purpose tool will help you tackle the dirtiest, grimiest jobs around. Before you begin, please take a few minutes to watch this video and read through your owner's manual and quick facts to get step-by-step instructions, product warnings, and valuable tips on getting the best performance from your pressure washer. Your pressure washer comes with a spray gun, wand, high-pressure hose, chemical injection hose, engine oil, nozzle cleaning kit, and a handle with mounting hardware. If your pressure washer has a quick connect wand, quick connect nozzles are mounted on the handle. Check the box content section in your owner's manual for the specific parts and accessories that come standard with your pressure washer. If any parts are missing or you have any questions, please call our toll-free helpline at 1-800-888-2468, extension 2. First, connect the handle to the frame with the knobs provided. Hand tighten. Next, attach the wand to the spray gun. Hand tighten. Be careful not to over-tighten. Attach the high-pressure hose to the spray gun. Some models need an adjustable wrench to tighten. Slide the chemical injection hose onto the injection valve fitting. Some pressure washers are shipped with a temporary plug in the pump that must be replaced with a vented breather cap. Unscrew and remove this plug. Remove the breather cap from the bag attached to the plug and install it on the pump. Tighten securely. Failure to replace this plug can cause the pump to overpressurize and forcibly eject the plug in hot oil. Your pressure washer is shipped with oil in the pump. Please check the maintenance section of your owner's manual for service schedule and type of oil. If you have any questions on assembly, please call our toll-free helpline at 1-800-888-2468, extension 2. You'll need a garden hose, a small funnel, and an approved container of standard unleaded gas. First, add the unleaded gas to the fuel tank. Do not fill the tank completely. Fuel needs room to expand. Remember, do not add gas indoors or while your pressure washer is running. Next, add the oil to the engine that is packaged with your pressure washer. If your pressure washer has an oil fill cap on the side of the engine, remove the cap. Insert the funnel and add the oil to within 1 to 2 threads from the top. Replace the cap and tighten. If the oil fill is at the top of the engine, remove the dipstick and slowly add the oil. Insert the dipstick and tighten the cap. Remove the cap again to check the oil level. Continue to add oil until the level on the dipstick reaches the full mark. Do not overfill. Connect the high-pressure hose to the pump outlet. Connect one end of the garden hose to your faucet and the other end to the pump inlet. Hand tighten. Turn on your water full force. Once you reach this point, be sure you have completed the following: all safety instructions read and understood, all hose connections are tightened and free of any kinks, damage, or leaks, adequate amount of oil and fuel added, water supply turned on, all operation instructions read and understood. Before you start the engine, bleed the air out of the system by holding the trigger on the gun open until you get a steady flow of water. Open the fuel valve if applicable. If your pressure washer has an on-off switch, turn it on. Set the throttle to fast. Push the lever to the choke position, or if your pressure washer has a primer bulb, push it 5 times with a pause between each push. Pull the recoil start handle to start the engine. After the engine starts, set the choke to the run position. If the engine does not start after 1 or 2 pulls, squeeze the gun trigger to relieve the pressure and try again. Your pressure washer is set to achieve maximum cleaning pressure. On some models, pressure can be reduced by turning the unloader adjustment. See your owner's manual for your style of unloader. To return to maximum pressure, reset to original position. You can adjust the spray pressure in pattern. To get a high-pressure spray with a variable spray nozzle, pull the spray head back until it clicks. For low pressure, push the spray head forward. For a fan spray, turn the head clockwise. And for a narrow spray, turn it counterclockwise. If your pressure washer has a dual lance wand, turn the handle clockwise for high pressure and counterclockwise for low pressure. If yours has the high-low type wand, turn the head clockwise for high pressure and counterclockwise for low. For pressure washers with a single lance wand, on the end of your wand is a quick connect body. Mounted on your pressure washer handle are 5 quick connect nozzles. To achieve your desired spray pattern, insert one of the 5 quick connect nozzles into the quick connect body. Pull the quick connect sleeve back and insert the nozzle. Press in on the nozzle to ensure that it is in the locked position and ready to use. When switching out nozzles, be sure the gun trigger is in the locked position and the unit is turned off. Each nozzle will give you a varying degree of spray pattern. Black, soap nozzle used to draw chemical. White, 40-degree spray pattern. Green, 25-degree spray pattern. Yellow, 15-degree spray pattern. Red, 0-degree spray pattern. For the most effective cleaning, hold the spray head 1 to 2 feet away from the surface you want to clean. If you get the spray nozzle too close, especially on high pressure, you may damage the cleaning surface. There are a variety of cleaning chemicals that can be used with your pressure washer. Remember, your pressure washer can only draw chemicals when the spray head is in the low pressure position or when a low pressure nozzle is attached. When the spray head is in the low pressure position, place the injector hose with the small filter into the chemical container. Squeeze the gun trigger to start chemical flow. Some pressure washers are equipped with a chemical adjustment knob. Turn the chemical adjustment knob counterclockwise to increase the chemical flow or clockwise to decrease it. If you turn it too far, you can shut off the flow. When everything is properly set, you will see the chemical being drawn through the clear hose. For maximum cleaning, allow the chemical to soak for 3 to 5 minutes. To rinse, move the spray head to the high pressure position. Squeeze the trigger to clean the chemical from the system. Start at the top of the area to be rinsed and work your way down. When you're finished, flush the injector system by setting the spray head to the low pressure position. Put the chemical injector hose in a pail of clean water. Squeeze the trigger until clean water exits the spray head. To turn off the engine, simply move either the throttle lever or the run-stop switch to the stop position. Detailed operating procedures are included in your owner's manual. If you have any questions, please call our toll-free helpline at 1-800-888-2468, extension 2. If you run your pressure washer more than 2 minutes without pulling the trigger on the spray gun, the water temperature inside the pump begins to rise. When it gets too hot, a thermal relief valve opens and releases some of the hot water from the pump, allowing cool water to flow in from the garden hose. The hot water is released from the back of the pump. This is a special feature to protect the pump and should not be mistaken for a faulty pump. We recommend that you not allow the engine to run for more than 2 minutes without pulling the trigger on the spray gun. If you will not be using the pressure washer for more than 2 minutes, we recommend you turn the engine off. If your pressure washer begins to pulsate, make sure the water faucet is open fully. If it continues to pulsate, clean the nozzle. Detailed nozzle cleaning instructions are included in your owner's manual maintenance section. A variety of brushes, wands, and soaps are available for use with your pressure washer. These accessories are available at your retailer or call our toll-free helpline at 1-800-888-2468, extension 2 for more information on accessories. Before storing your pressure washer at the end of the season, you need to winterize it just as you would any lawn and garden equipment. First, add a fuel stabilizer to the fuel tank. Hook your pressure washer up to the garden hose and run it for a full 5 minutes to get the stabilizer through the fuel system. Shut off the engine and remove the garden hose. Disconnect the spark plug wire and remove the spark plug. Put 1 teaspoon of oil through the spark plug hole. Put a rag over the hole and pull the recoil a few times to lubricate the combustion chamber. Replace the spark plug, but do not reconnect the spark plug wire. Remove the oil drain plug and drain the oil from the engine. Properly dispose of the oil. To drain the oil quickly, put a wood block beneath the wheel opposite the oil drain plug. You may have to remove the oil fill plug to allow air in the system and to force the oil to drain. Replace the drain plug and add fresh oil. Remove the high-pressure hose from your pressure washer and spray gun and drain the water from it. Attach a 2-foot section of garden hose to the garden hose inlet. Using this hose and a funnel, pour RV antifreeze into the hose. Pull the recoil a few times to make sure the antifreeze gets into the pump. This keeps the pump from freezing. Your pressure washer is ready for storage. Detailed winterizing instructions are included in your owner's manual. If you have any questions, please call our toll-free helpline at 1-800-888-2468 extension 2. Before you begin using your new pressure washer, please take a few moments to become familiar with these important safety instructions. These safety instructions are covered in their entirety in your owner's manual. Improper operation or maintenance of your pressure washer could result in serious injury and property damage. The powerful spray from your pressure washer is capable of causing damage to surfaces such as wood, glass, paint, auto striping and trim, and delicate objects such as flowers and shrubs. Before spraying, check the item to be clean to assure yourself that it is strong enough to resist damage from the force of the spray. Avoid the use of the concentrated spray stream, except for very strong surfaces like concrete and steel. Spilled gasoline and its vapors can become ignited from cigarette sparks, electrical arcing, exhaust gases, and hot engine components. Wipe up all spills. Breathing exhaust fumes can cause serious injury or death. Always operate out of doors. The spray gun and wand is a powerful cleaning tool that could look like a toy. Keep out of the reach of children. Spray directed at electrical outlets, switches, or objects connected to an electrical circuit could result in a fatal electrical shock. Unplug any electrically operated product and don't spray electrical outlets or switches. Your pressure washer operates at fluid pressures and velocities high enough to penetrate human and animal flesh, which could result in serious injury. Never place hands in front of nozzle. Make sure your hose and fittings are tightened and in good condition. Uses of acids, toxic or corrosive chemicals, poisons, insecticides, or any kind of flammable solvent with this pressure washer could result in serious injury or death. Do not use acids, gasoline, kerosene, or any flammable materials in this product. Use only household detergents, cleaners, and degreasers recommended for use in pressure washers. Contact with hot surfaces, such as the engine exhaust components, could result in serious burns. During operation, touch only the control surfaces of the pressure washer. Keep children away from the pressure washer at all times. They may not be able to recognize the hazards of this product. Now, you're ready to tackle all those cleaning jobs with your new DeVILBISS Air Power Company pressure washer.